welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something a little bit different. I got a Boxycharm. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this box up. We're gonna take a look at what's inside there, inside the box. We're gonna look inside the box. Okay, so this is the box. The first thing that I see is a Sutra mini ceramic curling iron with cool tip. That's what it looks like. I'm really actually not trying to put any heat on my hair right now. Oh my god, this is tiny. I guess, yeah, it's a mini curling iron. It's so cute. It's so little. It's like a little kid. Okay, so let's see. Sutra Beauty mini ceramic curling iron. It is $50. Okay, moving on. We got the Kat Von D Anti-Precision Pencil Smoky Eyeliner. So this is what the packaging looks like, the box. This is what it looks like. Whoa, that's fucking huge. That's like really big. Oh yeah, it is. Oh wow, that is really smooth. Smoky eyeliner. Okay. I would probably definitely use this like on my eyelids to intensify a color or do a smoky eye. It is $19. Moving on. Project Beauty Hair Gurt Almond Honey Intense Repair Yogurt Hair Mask. Okay. Free of sulfates, parabens, harsh salt systems, harmful colors, and harmful fragrances. So this hair mask, this is what it looks like. Cute. I like the packaging. Very clean. So this guy is $10. And this is definitely full size, I'm sure. Can you smell it? It's got a little thing right here. Doesn't really, it smells like coconut. Does this have coconut? I think I smell more almond than coconut. Yeah, I'll definitely give this a shot. I think it works like any other mask, so I'll definitely use it once a week and keep you guys updated. I hope that I like this. It looks promising. Okay, moving on. It looks like it's gonna be an eyeshadow palette. Ooh. Oh my god. Shut the fuck up. I love these colors. Wow. Okay, let me move this. Look at this. Like, what? This is $39. So it comes with 12 matte and shimmery shades. How many shimmery ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so yeah. No, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 shimmery and 5 matte. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I don't know how to do math, but yes. This is so fucking pretty. I cannot wait to use this. It's beautiful. Okay, so far, I think this Boxycharm is definitely worth it. Okay, so next we've got the Becca Ultimate Lip Definer. Packaging is cute. Very classic for Becca. The color is Playful. Let's play. I've never used Becca lip liner. That's what it looks like. Very sleek, clean. That's pretty. That is from the Kat Von D eyeliner, and this is the Becca Playful lip liner. Okay, and then the last thing in the box is the Zoeva Matte Spectrum. Matte Spectrum what? Eyeshadow palette. Ooh, I love the feeling of this. It's like a soft touch. It's like a matte soft touch. I love this. Oh, I love that feeling. I'm obsessed. Okay. I'm going crazy. This quarantine stuff. Not where it's at. Oh my god, I love this. I'm obsessed. Okay. What the fuck? Wow. Okay, so yes, all of these are matte. There are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. There are 15 shades. I love this. This little like region right here is exactly what I love to play with. I don't know that I would ever dip into the greens. I just feel like it would clash with my eyes, but I'll definitely give it a try. I can create so many different looks with this. This is gorgeous. I think this is gonna be my favorite color though. This one right here. I love it. There is no mirror. There was a mirror in the Boxycharm one. That's why I had it folded over. Wow, I am very, very pleased with this. Okay, I will definitely do these once a month. I will be back in a few days with a look from all of the products that I got today. If you guys would prefer me to kind of join the two together, like try on everything that I'm opening as I go in the box, I can definitely do that. But today is just an unboxing and I will be back in a few days with a try on. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram, do all of that good stuff, and I will see you all in the next one. Bored in a house and I'm in a house. Bored in a house and I'm in a... Oh, I should probably put my earrings on. Bored in a house and I'm in a house. Bored in a house and I'm in a house. Bored. Jeez. What is this? What are you doing? Join the rest of the girls. Okay.